Hi, good day! Another affordable foreclosed property tayo for today and we're here in Casmarines, Washington, please. If you know the project, alam mong magandang community na meron tayo dito. And this unit at may back, napaka-affordable niya ha, considering na napakalaki ng lote at ang laki rin ng floor area. Plus, ang ganda pa ng deliverable natin sa loob. So as is where is to, pero sulit na sulit ang presyo na meron tayo for this one. So tara, pasukin natin.
If 40 to 70% below the market value ang hanap mo sa isang property, then you might consider getting a foreclosed property through bank financing for a seamless transaction. Naka-discount ka na, mabilis mo lang din tong malilipatan kasi constructed na ang unit. Hi, it's me again, Kiara Pepito Sabido, and for today, foreclosed property naman ang feature natin here in our social media account. And this unit nga is located in Washington Place, Dasmariñas, at kung familiar ka sa area na yan, napakalapit na niyan sa boundary going to Tagaytay. So, ang ganda ng klima and ang ganda rin ng community natin dito, which is later on i-feature na namin para sa inyo. And ayun na nga, tulad ng nabanggit ko, as is where is tong unit na to. This is a single attached unit na meron ka ng lot area na 198 square meters. Napakalaki niyan ha. Here's our covered carport na kasya ang SUV, sedan at even van. Area naman na to, may provision ka for a pocket garden and here's gonna be your main entrance. Alam mo ba, pagpasok ko sa unit nito, amis na amis ako kasi wala ka na masyadong ipapagawa. Minor renovation na lang to, repainting works na lang, at kung ano man yung gusto mong interior na i-add sa unit na to. By the way, may approved caretaker ang unit na to, kaya naman siguradong naaalagaan ang bahay. And since as is where is to, lahat na nakikita mong fixtures, kasama na yan upon turnover, except the personal belongings of course ng ating caretaker. So sa ground floor, meron kang dalawang malalaking kwarto na literal na malalaki. If you can see this video, ito yung isang kwarto natin and the other one is this one, napakalaki. Minor renovation ka na lang talaga dito at ang kagandahan dito yung CR natin sa ground floor. If you can see the turnover, may kasamang bathtub at ito na ang finishes natin. O diba, sobrang sulit talaga nito. Plus, kung makikita mo yung living, dining, kitchen area, napakaluwag talaga nitong unit na to. Ang floor area pala nito ay 264 and again, the lot area is 198 square meters. Kaya naman talagang sobrang sulit nito for its price. Little backstory lang, previous owner is a Pinay and also a foreigner, kaya naman ang ganda ng pagkaka-renovate at bumalik na sila sa abroad, kaya naman bumalik ito sa bangko. Second floor, may 2 big rooms din tayo at isang kwarto ay may built-in beds na, kaya kasama na rin yan upon turnover. And this gonna be your master's bedroom. Look how big it is. And by the way, yung mga gamit dito kay caretaker yan, kaya hindi yan kasama upon turnover ha. Basta nagustuhan ko sa unit na to, ang provision nila for the walk-in closet. Tingnan mo na lang kung gaano kalaki yung walk-in closet natin dito.